everyone, my name is Keisya. So welcome to my video. So in this video, I will presenting an important and interesting topic in mathematics, but it's not also in mathematics, it's used in our daily life. And but before I start to think this topic, I want to ask you one question. So, have you ever used Google Maps to find a destination? So, Google Maps not only tell us the distance to a place, but also shows the direction we should take. Without direction, we may know that our destination is 5 kilometers away, but we don't know which way we have to go. This idea is the basic concept of vector. In mathematics, some quantities only have a value, such as mass, temperature. However, other quantities require both a value and a direction. So these quantities are called vectors. So in this video, we are going to learn the concept of vectors, look at some examples, and explore their application in everyday life. So let's get started. So what is vector? A vector is a quantity that has magnitude and direction. For example, imagine when I say I walked 5 meters. This information is not complete because we don't know the direction of the movement. However, if I say I walked 4 meters to the east, so this information becomes complete because it includes both the magnitude and the direction. So this is called a vector. On the other hand, a quantity which has magnitude is called a scalar. The example of scalar quantities include mass, temperature, time, energy, and etc. The example of vector quantities include displacement, velocity, acceleration, and etc. Therefore, the main difference between a scalar and a vector is a vector always has a direction. Okay, now let's talk about the simple example. Look at this simple example. So suppose a person walks 4 meters to the east. So this displacement can be represented by the vector 4, 0. Then the person walked 3 meters to the north. The second displacement is represented by the vector 0, 3. To find the total displacement, we add the two vectors and obtain the resultant vectors is 4, 3. Next, we calculate its magnitude by using the Pythagorean theorem. The square root of 4 squared plus 3 squares equals 5. So 5 is the magnitude. Although the person moved in two different directions, the final displacement has a magnitude of 5 meters and points toward the coordinate 4, 3. This example shows that vectors help us to describe movement more accurately than distance alone. Okay, now, what is the uses of vector in our daily life? So, vectors are not only studied in mathematics classes, but are also used in many fields. In navigation systems such as GPS, vectors help determine the correct direction to reach a destination. In aviation, pilots consider the direction and speed of the wind when planning a flight path. In sports, the direction and force of a kick can be analyzed using vectors. In video games, the position and movement of characters are In video games, the position and movement of characters are calculated using vectors, allowing them to move realistically in a different direction. Moreover, robot and self-driving vehicle using vectors to determine their paths. So these examples show that vectors are an important concept with many applications in everyday life. So now we have learned the concept of vectors and explored several their application in everyday life. A vector is a mathematical quantity that has magnitude and direction. Unlike a scalar, a vector also shows the direction of movement. Vectors are used in navigation, engineering, sports, and robotics. They help people to calculate displacement, velocity, and force accurately. Therefore, vectors are an important concept in mathematics and many real-life applications. So thank you guys for watching this lesson. I hope you have a better understanding of vectors and their application. And see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!